Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c: and hit enter. Then type cd space c: and hit enter. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command cd space c:/. Now type cd space windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space c:/ boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.